to another episode of Dose of Dex. So glad you guys are here kicking it with me. If you have been to this channel already, welcome back. So glad you're here kicking it with me. If you are new, want to welcome you. This is a fashion channel. Everything we talk about, everything is related to fashion. So if you're new to the channel, there's a couple of things I need you to do. First thing, I need you to follow me on Instagram at doseofdex_. That's where I post a lot of the latest fashion I feel like you should know about, or I feel like are really dope, up and coming, and I just like to share those things. And if you don't have Instagram, that's perfectly fine. I am on TikTok as well, so follow me on there too, at doseofdex_ as well. Slowly working on improving being active on TikTok, but I'm getting there one day at a time. You'll definitely see me on there more often, and I just like to post fashion on there as well. Now, if you don't have Instagram, you don't have TikTok, you know what you do have? You do have YouTube, because you're watching me right now. So I need you to hit that subscribe button, hit the notification button, and share with anyone who has a love for fashion. Oh, don't forget also hit that like button if I didn't say that already too. Now, let's go ahead and talk about today. Okay, now today's gonna be a really quick vlog because I only have one pickup that I'm gonna be talking to you about today. But before I talk about that, I wanna give you a little bit of the backstory or a little information I think you should definitely know about. So the main thing is Saks on Fifth has a huge sale going on right now. I believe it's anywhere from 50 to 80% off on just about everything. So if you're familiar with Saks on Fifth, or if you don't know anything about it, I'm gonna definitely put a link below so you can go on there and see the large variety of things they have, anywhere from sneakers, shoes, clothes, tops and bottoms, outwear, jackets, accessories, jewelry, you name it, it's there on Saks on Fifth. So definitely go to the website, check it out. I probably will flash away from me a little bit so you guys can see the website right here and see a couple of things that they have on sale. But it's going crazy right now, so you should definitely pick something up. That leads to why we are here today. So myself, I went ahead and went on the website and took a look at what all they had to offer to see if I could find anything for myself or for clients. And believe it or not, it wasn't even me who found something. It was Janelle. Janelle came to me. She said, "Dex, look at this. What do you think about this?" And I just was like, I think I need to pull it. I think I need to pull. Sir! That sounds crazy. No, what I was trying to say was Janelle showed me something on the website that I had really liked, and actually something I was looking for a while now. So went ahead and got it, had it sent here, and I wanted to do an unboxing with you. So this is gonna be my first time looking at it. This is gonna be together. We're doing this together. And I hope by doing this together that I'm gonna help give you guys some ideas on some looks that you can use with what it is that I have. Or if you can't think of any looks, maybe you're gonna think of something better than what I already have. So that's always the goal here at Dose of Dex, is to inspire and create creativity. Create creativity so that you guys can go back and create some amazing pieces that you can hopefully one day show me and I can post on Dose of Dex or my Instagram or TikTok. But before I get off subject, because my mind does drift off all the time, let's stay focused on what we have right here. So what I'm going to be showing you today is an accessory that I got from Saks on Fifth, and it is from Palm Angels. If from the box you don't know already, I might as well go ahead and tell you, it is a pair of sunglasses. Now, as far as sunglasses, it's been something I've started to add to my collection for a while now. I probably had like 2 or 3 pairs of sunglasses that I was pretty comfortable with. But in fashion, you always got to take some risks. You always got to expand. How am I to help my clients if I don't know, what looks good on them or what looks good on myself? Like, what better way than to put it on me? So yes, this is a pair of gotta get that out. This is a pair of sunglasses from Palm Angels. Now, first thing is just taking a look at the box. One thing I've noticed is that recently buying more expensive sunglasses, they come in a lot nicer boxes. Like, the presentation is amazing. So what I'll do is I'll flash over. If you take a look at this box, really nice. It's got the Palm Angels at the front. And then right here on the tab, if you look, it's got a little pull tab. I really like that. It makes it kind of fancy. And then inside, first thing I noticed when I pulled out the sunglasses, or before I pulled out the sunglasses, is a lens cleaner. Now for me, this is a necessity. A lot of the places I go end up really hot and then my sunglasses fog up, or I just seem to touch my sunglasses with my hands. So this lens cleaner right here is going to be a big lifesaver. So that's the first thing I saw when I opened up the box. From opening the box, next it is engulfed in a case. I like this a lot. One thing about me is I do not like, especially for sunglasses that I spend a little bit more money on, I don't like it to just leave it in a sunglass case or anything like that. I like them to have their own individual space. So between the box and this case right here, it's perfect for me. Leading into that, let's go ahead and let's open it up. Let's take a look at these sunglasses. All right, sunglasses are in a Ziploc bag. All right, we're taking it out. And voila, take a look at that. So if I didn't say it already, these are the Palm Angel Bodhi sunglasses. Palm Angel Bodhi sunglasses. And I like these a lot. It's got a rectangular, first thing I noticed is the rectangular shape. I did see that online, which is a reason that I picked it up. A lot of my sunglasses are more square or more round. I don't have a lot of rectangles, so this immediately captured my eye why I wanted to get it. And then also the price. I cannot forget that. That is the most important thing to let you guys know about. So this was about 70% off. So I got this for $100.
Say what?
Need I say more? So this was a great pickup right here just for the price alone. Especially looking for more expensive sunglasses, not having to pay the expensive price. This was a definite must-have. So yeah, these Bodhi sunglasses are really nice. I'm loving it already. So next, if we look on the sides, it has the Palm Angel sign with a little silver strip going down the side. Nice. I have a pair of gold sunglasses, gold on the side, so having silver definitely is going to give me variety for when I accessorize when it comes to more watches, chains, and things like that, or necklaces and things like that. So that is pretty cool. So I'm doing all this detail and I'm talking about all this stuff, but the most important thing is putting it on and seeing how I look. All right, hold on. You see? All right, I'm acting like I can see through my camera. Let me go ahead and take a look at this. See how this looks. Damn it. Made a big click sound. You just thought I was talking to myself?
Yeah, I did. I'm sorry. I won't give up. Here's this back. You're doing great.
I'm not laughing. You messing up my video.
No, it's
I just highlighted you in my video and now I have to say something mean.
but I didn't come down here being mean. I said, it's like...
You see how you talking right now while I'm recording?
You're talking.
You're being rude.
Those look good on you.
These look nice on me?
Mm.
Great, because I'm giving a review.
Sorry.
Let's try again.
I can hear it from you.
Yeah, I just started recording. Don't be talking during my stuff.
No, I'm just standing here so I can hit it for you.
What's it doing right now? What's it doing right now?
You're talking to me.
What? How many are seconds moving?
14.
Yes, and so you're talking through
Okay.
my video. Okay, let's stop it. Let's stop it and try it again.
You got the tag on.
Yes, because this.
No, you should take it off.
No, because this is my unboxing. They gotta know that I'm really unboxing this right now.
Got it.
Okay, sorry for the distractions, everyone. You know, earlier when I showed Janelle like this is really what she looks like now. Now that I have the glasses on, ran upstairs, went and looked in the mirror. I am loving these. These are fire. One of the main things I really like are the weight on it. Some of my other glasses are a lot heavier, so by the end of the night, I can usually feel it around here, around my ears, around my nose. It gets really heavy and leaves an imprint. These are not as heavy. You can tell they're very sturdy, like they're not gonna break immediately, but they're not heavy on my head, so I like that a lot. Now, as far as the tint, it's not too dark, so it's not like as it gets darker, I'll have a problem with these on. I do like that as well. I don't know, can you see my eyes? I don't know if you can see my eyes, but it's okay. I feel like within sunglasses, it's okay to have different shades of lenses, some darker, some lighter, some different colors. Just brings more variety to when you put on a couple of pieces and you bring the whole look together. Something cool I wanted to do for you guys was I wanted to show you a comparison when you're spending a little bit more money on your sunglasses compared to you might pick up at your local store. Now this right here is a pair I have from Kenneth Cole. I believe I got this from TJ Maxx. Now don't get me wrong, this is a great pair of sunglasses. I love the shape of it. I love the lens, how dark it is. I like it a lot. But compared to these from Palm Angels, there is a huge difference. One thing I did mention to you guys again was the weight. This is a lot lighter. I gotta be careful with these. The minute I drop these, I feel like these could break at any moment, whereas this is a heavier pair. Now, even this thickness of the lenses, not the lenses, but the frame, the actual frame. If you take a look here, what I'll do is I'll flash over to a closer picture of the frames. You can see the thickness between the both of them. The Palm Angels ones by far is a thicker frame. So that is very appealing for me. That's something I would definitely look at if I were picking this up for clients. I always want something that's gonna last a long time for my clients. That way we can continue to add variety when it comes to accessories and sunglasses and things like that. Most important difference in the two sunglasses though is the vibe. This right here, the Kenneth Cole one, I feel like I can wear every day. I'm comfortable in, I can have a good time. It's gonna protect my eyes from the sun. Just overall good pair of sunglasses. But this right here, this is a vibe. This is gonna give me that feeling I want when I'm outside. I wanna feel chill, I wanna feel cool, I wanna feel like everybody's paying attention to me. So these sunglasses from here from Palm Angels is definitely the wave. That's the difference in the two. This, nice every day. This, a vibe. Clearly you know which one you should be getting. All right, everyone, before I go into showing you up close and personal to these sunglasses, I keep hearing from you know who that I need to take this tag off right here. Since we've done the unboxing, I officially need to take it off. So hold on one second. Thank you. Okay, let's go ahead and let's continue up close personal look at these sunglasses with it on my head. There you have it. There you have it. Side view, front view, up close to the side again, and boom. Now for myself, I'm definitely gonna throw these on with my outfit that I'm gonna wear for opening day. Definitely look out for that vlog. Definitely look out for that post. That's the first time you're gonna see these outside of watching it right now. That's the first time you're gonna see it on me with a complete outfit. I'm excited to show you guys that. Now, when I'm thinking about styling ideas or some advice I would give to you guys out there, one thing I would say, this would look really good with a suit. Guys and women, men and women out there, we're all wearing suits right now. The very loose fitted suit. If you throw this on, and play it safe if you want to, go all black. Go all black, throw these on. I promise you, you will not be sorry about that look. That's one thing I want to give you. Anything else though, you're gonna have to use Dose of Dex for my services, and then I'll give you what you need. I'll give you the information you need and the looks you need that go with these sunglasses. Okay, everyone, so that's it. Nice, short, and simple. Just wanted to remind you guys, Saks Off 5th has a going out of business sale going on right now. So if you don't like these, that's perfectly fine. They have a variety of options when it comes to pieces, accessories, sneakers, boots, shoes, you name it, outwear, you name it, dresses, you name it, they have it right now going on sale at Saks Off 5th. I will definitely put the link below where you can click and check out what they still have available. Now, if you want these, don't forget, these are the Palm Angels Bodhi sunglasses. So make sure you check these out. I hope you guys grab these. If you do, make sure you send me a picture on Instagram, TikTok, you know it, so I can repost it and just show you guys are showing love to the channel. Now, before I get out of here, just want to remind you guys, make sure you're following me on Instagram at doseofdex_ for all your latest fashion. Follow me at TikTok at doseofdex_. And most importantly, right here on YouTube, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification button, and share with anyone who has a love for fashion. I appreciate you guys being here with me, but you know what I like to say? I'll catch you on the next one.